This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Mini farm on approximately 7.978 acres with brick and vinyl 3-bedroom 3-bath 1.5-story home. Country living at its finest. Main house has foyer, living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry room, 2 bedrooms, office, with closet, 2 baths, mud room and sun room. In-law quarters has living room, kitchen, dining area, bedroom and bath. Both living rooms have fireplaces with gas logs. Sunroom has a vaulted ceiling and overlooks the backyard and the in-ground pool. Home has 2 rear decks. Kitchen has stainless appliances, tile backsplash, lots of cabinets and countertop space, breakfast bar and breakfast area. Master suite has double vanity tile walk-in shower, jetted tub and 2 walk-in closets. Mudroom is large and has lots of cabinets and has connections for a second laundry. The rear patio, rear deck, in-ground pool and pool house are great places for relaxing and/or entertaining. Home has a backup generator and 2 gas water heaters. One is a Rinnai tankless. There are 4 garages, 2 doubles, a triple and a single. There are fenced pastures and a couple of streams on the property. So much house and so many extras. This home is a must-see. For more information,